But this night, Lady Jade and Sampete, one of Naija FM, they call me the resident Aproko doctor of Big Brother House, where I collect the title. Thank you. I appreciate them. But say, no be only me, they always get these G's, and I always look forward to these G's because when they talk as CB, I get the beautiful, delectable Austin, but the big sister ready for us side. How far now?
I do.
How your week go?
My week fine. My week fine. How you doing now?
I do alright. I do okay.
You look good.
Thank you. They said good, looking good now. Good.
Now good business.
Yes,
better business.
Yes, now we got same market, so we got to look good. So welcome again.
Thank you.
And which kind of week we don't get?
And this week better pass last week.
But then
drama did the house this week. I like him.
Thanks to Big Brother.
Thank you, Biggie.
Hey, oh God. So where we'll start from now? Maybe we'll start from the party, or maybe we'll start from the evictions.
Maybe we just talk the party. Maybe that party yesterday. The party yesterday. I still they told me.
You so you follow them dance.
I still they told me for the kind of things when I see for that my screen.
Not be only you.
They told me all these aspects. Wait see the apple.
Wait, make I ask them question. What thing we do you?
I don't know.
Do now.
I want to done enough
for us, children of God.
What is it?
Money Jesus. You want spoil us? Why?
They be like people when they release from prison.
Yes, you know, say they never agree, and people that never agree, me they enter inside garden.
I didn't tell you.
So eventually, when you see me they enter garden, you don't carry the tipu for everywhere.
But wait, hey, make I even ask you this thing when I ask for my page. Imagine say Big Brother don't scatter the garden where you live everywhere dirty. Then time for pool party. You can see me they go there. They can't see that kind of thing. I for me.
For they what kind now? No. What is this? We cannot do that.
When they don't wear bikini.
Now, ready to.
Anyway, thank God Biggie did not do that because for no good.
For no good now.
But now my mind just want me say this. What if to say Biggie do this kind?
But you know, so if Big Brother fit do more.
Biggie, please don't. Okay, because they will say that me start up.
And they will come for you. All right, so we talk about the party. The plenty copulation inside the pool. Onyeka
chukwu.
No kwa. Tomorrow now I have to go say there's nothing.
See if she even talk that thing, Oh my God, last night was hilarious. You know, just seeing the way Ozee will move from one person to the other. You know, say person will get to madam for the house when they always speak grammar, say no, you go to do like say you don't know what's in the apple. Meanwhile, you they use to side they lead these girls on somehow. Okay, you deal with Onyeka, they give you all the dance, they give you all the backside shaking. You go live on, you go meet Victoria, shine. What do they do? I just say you get madam outside.
Where you said madam don't.
Madam self go don't tire. Because if not me, I go don't tire.
Don't vex the
apple. See the apple. Then they call you beg for beer. You say I want be.
I see I'm.
You beg us, please. Can I just bite your beards? I don't know say beer they sweet oh.
Yeah. Me say that just see
I'm the first time. Now but I go for who get beards more taste.
They will teach us what we go do when finally.
I don't see what it is now beer.
Hey way. Oh God. But I won't believe say she die.
If Onyeka it's 50-50. You say Onyeka she get plenty tricks under that her sleeve. Onyeka, I understand she was under the influence, no doubt. But even at that, it's still she still know what she did do. I don't believe so Onyeka go just drink. Forget her
forget her home training.
You know why I say, you know why I talk even in the midst of that time when she and Ozee they do all those back and forth. When Ozee said something about he made a statement and she was like, so you don't even like me like that? Oh yeah, move away. That moment she talk like person where no high. Then the next minute she can't go back again. I see you. You know, not thief they no thief. This week now they get plenty punishments when take time and all these kind of things. Then the shooting, even when they shoot now, when people are constantly say freeze, well, you know all those things. So I don't know. I mean, I know that they share their stories, you know, to come up with their scripts and all. But wait, I don't know be say whether they shoot and well, you know, because now post production now go help them edit, so we watch on today. But let's just see, Sha.
Is it possible say they go
I don't know. Maybe because my personal. I don't know. I don't know what Biggie want to do. Me, I just want to watch them. I just want to see waiting. Cause me, I know they like to watch them when they practice for the wager. I just want to watch as you know, and because if I don't they watch the whole process, I'll feel like a director in the movie or something. I just want to see, you know, what it's going to be about today. Hopefully they do and wear sha.
Yeah, so before we go, one part where we no touch the fight with Shele between Onyeka, Kassia and Victoria. Victoria they tell Ozee, Ozee, yes. Say she feels say this face off where she get with Onyeka because of him, because of man.
Manana.
Manana. We talk like that. Big shout out to Shaka Marine. Oh, no, because of Manana. And he no one accepts say na him be the factor. But if you one day honest, that na the
he dey the center. Now the people what they get with Ozee be that if you dey in the middle of something, no dey comot yourself. If you dey talk, I know they talk and like say you don't know wetin dey happen, or you don't know why the girls they behave like this, or wetin dey cause fight. You dey always put yourself for those situations. You can't act like say you don't know wetin happen. You understand wetin happen. E dey vex me. No honestly, because sometimes you go come dey look the Onyeka girl like say she no know wetin she dey do, or Victoria, because you know again we don't listen to all their conversations. So now you know the things when they tell her. Now you know the things when they tell this person. So we go just see reaction. We go come dey feel say this person they overreact. I get that Onyeka they lie to herself too, but she cannot just be behaving like that. If Ozee know they give her some kind. Last night when they touch her, they feed her water, they do wetin they do. You will touch me finish in the morning. You can't do like say you don't know. I mean, many of them get that.
Get that. Weekend don't reach. Now Sunday day for front. Nobody know who
go as he choke. The least choke.
He choke. We go just keep our fingers crossed. The reason why we not go tell you who go and who no go now because of say we feel they wrong.
now.
Secondly, and we know one maybe they give you what they call false hope.
Yes, maybe watch out. Watch your TV
and just hope say you do your best by your faith. Say the wait
and voting don't close. You dey vote from that day till Thursday.
So hope we just hope say you fit do the best way you fit don't do for your faith. So now to keep fingers crossed and just hope for the best. So we don't near the end
of the show.
Don't they wind down? And most times it make me make you know when they not go.
When they never finish.
But at the end of the day, you know if you do Big Brother forever now.
Yes.
The time it don't start. The season will end.
Yeah.
And then go look forward to another season again. But in the meantime, you where they listen, watch your TV. Watch your TV.
Plus now the thing only reach the end. You know, say plenty false stories go down the fly internet, everybody to discredit another person. So if you get person where you like, follow the show so you go feel know exactly what's in the happen. So if they argue for those internet, you go they tell them say no, this is not what happened. Because people have some really funny captions and tags for their videos. So just watch it on TV so that you are well informed. Okay.
Well, thank you, Austin Betta.
Thank you so much.
Coming and how you go. I don't speak for him, and I will go talk.
It's fine. Gist. I love being here. Thank you.
So now next week Friday again, 12 o'clock.
Alright, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.